There's the shell to put on the racing ones. That one and that one. None of them are going up to battle. Not even the white. Oh my gosh, there was one under the habitat. Ginger. That one's getting dead. It's going in circles. Again, tipped over. This is dead already. I just changed it. Boy. Stop. I need the camcorder stand, that mini one that Ashley probably stole from me. There's a nano under there. There's another one under there. And that one. There's a red one in there. He's almost dead. Shells. There's another one in there again. It's the purple again. Here comes the black. Jeez. Look at all these lines of ways. I gotta open these gates. Right there. Well, it's no wonder they're not getting up there. It's lifted off the ground.